And welcome to Converse AI Core. We're going to show today how we're going to implement QIndex, AWS's QIndex, into Converse AI Core very, very easily. So this is one of the boosters. So we're scrolling down. We can see that we have the QIndex Amazon Q Business located. We're going to select the details. We're going to install two specific customer location, obviously RulesCom, in a select application, Converse AI Core. What this is doing when you press the button is actually installing the QIndex branch within your application. So it says installation successful. We're going to pop back over to Converse AI Core. And look what we have here. All of our QIndex rules needed to leverage that particular integration. So we do have to go in and obviously take advantage of that new integration that we've just created. So we're going to create a data page. We're going to call it Get City Policy, obviously from a QIndex perspective or from the QIndex. We'll hit Submit. We're going to create our structure type, which is going to be multiple records. Our class is obviously going to be QIndex Response. We are wanting to get city policy. We're going to have a message query. And look at this. Our uploaded files are indexed from Dallas policy documentation perspective. You can see the citizen services policy here around permits and issues and license. We're going to head back over to Civic Sync, show you the first screen there. Now we're over at Converse AI Core. We have leveraged SMS for this interaction. We could leverage any channel in any language across any vertical. We noticed that a permit is required. We saw that in the documentation that we retrieved from QIndex. We know that a permit is needed, so we're going to ask the questions and navigate the flow of what is needed from a permit perspective from the citizen themselves. You can see citizen entering details now, giving an address. So we've got the full address, we've got the estimated cost for the permit request. You can see that response time is not an issue. And now what is occurring is this case has actually been created. So we will come over to permit requests. And we can see that our P096TTP case has been updated, has been created and updated, I should say. For Olivia Martinez, all the details, all there.